Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Got a little bit of a cold right now, so that's why I sound a little bit rough. But I have a little bit of time on my hands and I just wanted to get back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while since I've chatted with you guys, so it's time for a little update, you know, put some makeup on, let's talk, let's chit chat and see what happens, you know. So first of all, I want to thank everyone that has reached out to us and said they miss us on YouTube and they just kind of wanted an update. So that's what I'm doing. And like I said, I have lost my voice. I was sick last week, so now I'm trying to get it back. I missed you guys. So let's just jump right in. First off, I'm going to start with my face today. Okay, now let's prime our face and get ready for foundation. So I've been getting lots of questions about where we are at in the family process. So the last time I chatted with everyone, we were going to talk about doing the IUI treatment or the IUI procedure. And we did go ahead and do that last month. We did do a one round of IUI and it did fail. So this time we're just kind of chilling right now. We're not getting we just kind of want to take a step back and figure out who we are, what we're doing, where we're at in our life before we decide to go any further, because it does get pretty pricey from here on out. So we just kind of want to take a chill pill for a second. And get our lives back on track, because we did take quite a bit of time off and you know, just that kind of stuff, and some of, you know, our home life and that kind of stuff did take a toll in all of that. So that's what we're just gonna do right now. We're just gonna take a chill pill and jump back into it as it comes. Okay, let's put on some foundation. I'm using the Pharmacy VFX Pro foundation. I really like this foundation, and it's like the only one that I have in my color right now. I hope everybody had a really good Halloween. If you don't follow me on Instagram, then I will post a picture right now. Colton and I went for Halloween as Billy and Sarah Sanderson of Hocus Pocus. And we had so much fun. It's exciting, you know, dressing up and just doing something out of the normal than you would on a daily basis, you know. Okay, so that's the foundation. I really, really like this foundation, for real. Okay, let's blend out this concealer. How many of you guys do like, we're gonna go in with some ColourPop pressed powder. How many of you guys do like BoxyCharm or Ipsy or any of those little makeup subscription boxes? I'm curious to know how many of you guys use it. I do BoxyCharm. So I'm actually using a palette that I got in my BoxyCharm. So I'm super excited because I haven't used it yet. Your brows, and then we will go in with some eyeshadow. Brows are really boring, so we're just gonna fast forward through it. So just like, they're done. Whew. If only it worked like that in real life, right? I know. Okay, so this is the palette I got in my BoxyCharm. It's the Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series palette. Looks like this. Don't mind my nails. we're just gonna ignore them, okay? And I haven't used any of this. I've just kind of like swatched a couple, and I kind of want to do something, I don't know, something a little bit different. So first we're gonna, oh, there's a lot of kickback. We're gonna go in with the color Sand right here, and we're just gonna put this in our crease. I'm really happy to be back doing makeup tutorials. I've been asked a lot to come back and do a makeup tutorial. I personally really like watching makeup tutorials, so that's why I'm doing this. Okay, so I got that sand in the crease, and now we're gonna go in with Terracotta, this orangey shade right here, and we're gonna do the same thing. So now let's go in with a little bit a more defined brush, and we're going to go in with the color Cinnamon, this brown shade right here. I will say there's a lot of kickback in the pan, but there's no fallout on my face, so that's good. My dogs decided they want to join the party, huh? You want to join the party? Come here. Bella wants to say hello. She said hello. Hello. What do you think? What's that? Huh? Sorry if my dogs annoy you. I have the outside complete. We might go in with a little bit of black to kind of deepen it up some more, but I want to get this pink shade on the lid. It's literally just called pink, so I don't know. I guess we shall see. Okay, so we're gonna take a little packing brush and some setting spray. Just gonna give it a little bit of spritz. Okay, now let's go in and blend it a little bit. This color is actually really pretty. I'm really impressed. This little pink shade. I definitely think we're gonna need a little bit of black in the corner even more, but this is what we've got going on now. I definitely think I want to darken it up just a tad bit. I'm going to grab an even tinier brush. Going with that black shade, it's literally just called black. Make sure it's all blended out. Okay, I actually want to put this color on my bottom lash line. It's Emerald. That's what the color name is. Oh, that's gonna be so pretty. Okay, let's take a little smudging brush. I'm gonna grab a little bit more. Okay, there it is on the bottom. So unique, I like it. Okay, so we use quite a bit of shades in this. I really like this palette, definitely recommend it. And get BoxyCharm because you never know what is gonna come in that BoxyCharm. Might have some cool colors, some cool things. Okay, so let's finish up the face and then we'll come back to the eyes. But let me throw on some mascara, that way it'll dry before we put on lashes. So I'm just going to use my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. There we go. Okay, let's bronze up the face. So I'm going to use my Tarte's Pro Glow palettes. And I am really in love with this bronzing shade right here. How beautiful. Love it. Whoops. Jiminy Christmas. I'm just gonna bronze everywhere. Okay. I love bronzing my face. Okay, so for blush, I don't know what I want to do because we got all sorts of colors going on in our eyes, but with our Morphe blush palette, I need a blush brush. Let's go in with this upper corner right here. It looks really pretty. There we go. Okay. Put all of my goodies away. Okay, now let's go in. Let's start the show. Okay, I got this actually in the mystery box that I just ordered for Halloween. And so it is a mystery frost. And it's so beautiful. Look at it. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Okay, so we're just gonna put this on. It's like gorgeous. It's not, and I actually don't have any of Jeffree's highlighters, so I don't know if this one isn't as in your face as all the others, but I personally, it's got a lot of chunky glitter in it, so if you don't like chunky glitter, then I wouldn't recommend getting something like this one. I'm pretty sure he's not selling it though. Pretty sure it was just for the mystery boxes, but I like a subtle glow, and so that's why I like it. I'm not a big fan of the chunky glitter, but it honestly doesn't look that bad on my face when I put it on. So anywho, just putting in my little 2 cents there. Okay, I'm going to go highlight the rest of my face, or not the rest of my face. I'm gonna highlight my brow bone and my inner corner, and I'm actually going to use this Flower Beauty highlighter palette, and I'm going to use this middle pink shade right here. I feel like it'll complement the pink I got going on the lid. So we're just gonna put this on the inner corner and our brow bone. Guys, I really like this highlighter. This highlighting palette is bomb. You must get it. Flower Beauty. Okay. Now let's go in and pop on some lashes. Okay, I'm going to use the K&S Luxe Beauty lashes in the shade Baby Doll. Seriously, this packaging is like goals. It's so gorgeous. So let's apply them, shall we? I actually have a giveaway going on my Instagram. Go on over there, like it, follow me on Instagram, enter the giveaway, because I've got a pair of these Baby Doll lashes in the giveaway, so you don't want to miss it. It's gonna be a good one. While we're letting that dry, we are going to, I want to put on this iconic London plumping lip gloss. I'm just going to put it on just to plump my lips while we're putting on these lashes. So this is just the nude color. Nearly nude, that's what it's called. So it's peppermint smelling, but it's not like, It's got a little bit of a tingle to it, but most plumping lip glosses like kind of are uncomfortable. This one is not. I love it. So pretty too. Yes. It's a good one. It's a keeper. I'll be right back. Boom. They're on. It only took me like 5 hours. No, I'm kidding. This is how they look. They're really cute and dainty, just like everyday ones. They're not like super dramatic, which I love. I always like to have little dainty eyelashes around for occasions like this, because it's literally like 6 o'clock at night and I got nothing going on. So anyway, so yeah, so let's just put a little bit of mascara on our bottom lashes and we're gonna call this a look. The plumping lip gloss with this eye look, so we're just gonna keep it. We don't want to keep it. Oh no. Oh no. Why did I look down? Alright guys, and that is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really missed you guys. I really did. So I plan on filming a ton more videos, getting them all up for you, and I'm super pumped to be back. If you have anything that you would like to see, then please leave it in the comments down below and I'll try to get you. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.